How to make use of cheap internet banner advertising.
For years now, internet banner advertising has captured the World Wide Web, for it has become a large help in saving an amount of money while reaching beyond territories. Banner advertising played a major part in market trafficking all over the internet, and many individuals and companies have bought themselves these cheap internet banner advertising. Some made use of it financially, others have no idea on what to do with it. With your cheap internet banner advertisement, would you just sit in front of your computer and wait for people to notice you? Would you let your company get trampled by other companies' marketing strategies? Okay, so you admit you bought internet banner advertising, but does that mean you won't do anything about it because it costs cheap? These following steps will help you get up on your feet and make your cheap internet banner advertising priceless. With these simple instructions, there will always have traffic on your website. First, to be able to capture the attention of your target audience, your title and topic should be thought of with concern. You have to make the people believe that your cheap internet banner advertising is worthy of their time. The advertisement has to meet the audience's need. For the people to bring attention to your internet banner advertising, you should be able to raise the curiosity and convince the people. You should be able to deliver your products or services with strong words that may lead the target audience at deciding. You should be able to construct words on your advertisements that could lead the target audience that you are directly talking to them to give a sense of familiarity on your services. As you persuade the people by calling for them and directing them to buy or entail your services, they give importance to your business proposal. Your cheap internet-based banner advertising will become one of the sought-for ads there are. Make sure to present your ads to the global community repeatedly to get them familiar with you and your services. Always remember that having a website doesn't mean it could sell products by itself. You must be sure to accompany it with marketing strategies. By buying banner advertising, you or your company would save time and money while achieving market sales. These internet banners advertising may come cheap, but it could lead you or your company to riches. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.